Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve output on ChatGPT app. To know how to fix or how to solve output on ChatGPT app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on ChatGPT app. Here you can click on first step and you can click OK. Then you enter to the window or to the app of ChatGPT storage here. Then you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you'll find here updating this plus sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.